Hi there, this week's question is, does your game console need a UPS? My name is Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and game consoles, like computers, have a great many electrically fragile parts that can be damaged by blackouts, brownouts, and overvoltage. The answer to the game console needing a UPS is yes. The consequences of losing sudden power or suffering overvoltage are numerous and are outlined under various types of events that we will get into. The most likely event you're about to go through is a blackout. Normally the entire device is powered off at once. If you were just playing, then you lose all your progress since your last save, but if you were in the middle of saving, you would lose that save itself. However, many modern games have periodic autosaves, and you would end up defaulting to the previous one as they don't typically overwrite anymore. Now, that being said, if you have a brownout or a significant drop in voltage, certain parts of your console may cease functioning properly. Usually, these would be anything to do with cooling, and that might actually cause the device to get hotter. You would also have trouble saving depending on which of these devices we're talking about based on the voltage. Obviously, anything that requires higher voltage goes first, and anything with lower voltage would be just fine. But the combination of issues together might cause damage to your console if you don't actually have any way of maintaining a high enough amount of power. Now, the final event and the most dangerous event for just about every electronic is appropriately overvoltage, either due to power surges or lightning strikes. Now, consoles are made to function within a range of voltages, and really high voltages tend to damage part or all of the boards inside of your consoles, computers, and other devices. That means what you really want is something to stop that from happening. You could get a surge bar, but that would cause the same effect as a blackout because it would essentially trip. So what you really want to solve everything at once is a UPS, an uninterruptible power supply. Great for your consoles as well as your computers because it will allow you to save your game and shut down gracefully as opposed to damaging your equipment. And that is the goal in the end when you have a UPS installed with any device in your home that is potentially fragile. Now, like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing, and of course use a contact form to email me directly. And if you want to see me play video games, head over to twitch.tv/zaxxis1981, where you can see me play every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.